native developers, I'm Vinudhi Wahalathanthri, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the sign-in page of the chat application I created. So in my previous video, we talked about the sign-up page, and I showed you how I created the sign-up page and the processes which happens in the sign-up page. So in this video, we'll be talking about the sign-in page. So we sign in once a user has created an account and signed up. So now y'all can see that over here I have created a new account. So I hope y'all can remember this cat's face. So I signed up as Kitty Cat. So once again, I'll sign up. So y'all can see that I have given a name, mobile, password, and the country. So now I'll sign up as Kitty Cat, right? So now this is my sign-in page. Sign in to your account. So once a person has signed up, he or she or it will be automatically taken to the sign-in page. So now I'll add the mobile and the password of the user. So over here, I'll add the mobile and the password. 077123456 right? And now I'll give the password as 1, 2, and 3. Right, so now I will sign in. So let's see what happens once we have signed in. So I have given the same details I took when we were signing up. So it takes a bit while to load the home page. Right, so this is what happens once we have signed in. So once the user has signed in, it will take he, she, or it to its home page. So this is the home page. So here y'all can see that all the cat's friends, so Mr. Whiskers, Beluga, Skittle, Hacker, Ricky, White Rose, so these are really nice names. So over here, once the user has signed in, it will take him to the home page. Okay, so this is the process of this sign in. So now let's see what are the codes I have given to this sign-in process. So I'll be using my VS Code to show this. So before that, let me show y'all what I have done in my app.tsx. So after my sign-up screen, I have stacked my sign-in screen. So over here in my sign-up.tsx, so we talked about this in my previous video. So over here, once the user has successfully signed up, it will take he or she to the sign-in page over here. So let's move on to the sign-in page. So over here in the signing.tsx page, over here I have imported our components like safe area view, image background, style sheets, and all. And next I have imported our use ref, use effects, and use states. And this is for our animation. And next I have imported all our icons and the async storage. So I talked about this async storage in my previous video. So over here, I have created this function to show the animation. And over here, I have created some styles. So these are some styles which are created in this styles object. So yes, so those are the styles. And over here, I have exported the function sign-in. So why have we exported the function? So from this sign-in.tsx, we should export the function to import it from the app.tsx. So next I have added navigation because this page is getting navigated, and I have created some states over here. So we talked about the states as well in my previous video. So this is a variable, this is the function, and this is our state, or this is called hook. And over here we give the default value. So I have created states for the mobile and the password, and next I have created our UI. So I have created this UI inside a safe area view or the total screen. So this is what a safe area view stands for. And I have given a style over here. So then I have given an image background. So I have given a URI for it. And next I have given a view, and inside that view, I have given a fade in view. So I showed y'all that I have added some functions to create an animation. So for that, this is the tag we use, fade in view. And inside that, I have added the image or our logo. And next I have given the view over here. So over here, I have given the text input to set the mobile. So I have given the placeholder as mobile, and on the on-change text, this function should work. That means set mobile. So we created in this state over here. So likewise, I have created a text field for this password as well. So I have given the secure text entry as true. Likewise. So next I have given the button sign in. So this is the place where the sign in process occurs. So in web programming, we use on click, and in React Native, we use on press. So for this, I have called the function the sign in process. So let's see what we have done in the sign in process. So in the function sign in process, y'all can see that I have assigned some variables over here. So this is the inner function because it's inside the UI. So in this function, I have created some variables such as JS request object, which is equal to this object we have created over here. So the mobile should be equal to the mobile we created above. So likewise, the partial should be equal to this. And next, I have created the JSON request text. And I have JSON stringify this JS request object we took from here. So now, next I have made some form data because we'll be sending this data through the post method. So I have appended this JSON request text we created over here, and I have appended the JSON request text. So we should send it to the server side in this method. Next, I have created an AJAX request, and inside this if, I have checked whether the ready state is equals to full, and the status is equals to 200, and the JSON response text, not request text, JSON response text should be equals to request.response text. Okay, these words are a bit jumbling, but don't get confused. So then I have passed the value we took from the server side to this JSON response object. And next, if the JSON response object is equals to error, in case an error occurs, then I should get an alert as message and invalid details. And if it's successful, then I should get an alert as welcome to hey buddy, or I can give it as chatify as well. So likewise, I changed the names a lot. So that's up to you. You can change the names. And next I have given hello user object name. And then I have given the async storage. So async storage is the unique storage which is made for our app. So it's like a small database, but it's inside the system. So, and then I have set the item as user. And then I have JSON stringify the user object we created over here. And then once this is successful, I should navigate to the home screen. So I have sent all these details to the server side through the post method. So let's see what we have done in it. So I'll go to my PHP, and over here I have made the sign in. So let's see what we have done in the sign in.php. So over here I have made a JSON, a variable called $JSON request text, which is equals to $post JSON request text we took from the client side. So I hope you all can remember we took this from that function. We append this. And next we have assigned $PHP request object to JSON decode $JSON request. So we JSON pass this value we took from here. And next over here, I have assigned $mobile to this request object mobile, and the PHP request object password to this $password. And next, I have created a connection between these, the database, and then I have typed a query over here. Select all from user, where the mobile is equal to $mobile we created over here, and the password is equal to $password we created over here. And now next, I have created $PHP response object, new std class. Yes, so here the new std class, and next I have given an if-else ladder, where if the $table numbers is equals to 0, then the PHP response object message, I should get it as error. And if it's successful, I should get the message as success. So likewise, if next I have fetches up all the data from the row, and then I have assigned $PHP response object user should be equals to $row. Then I have JSON encoded $PHP response object, and that should be assigned to $JSON response text. And next I have echoed this JSON response text. So this is the process of the signing. So over here, what happens is the data we input to sign it up should be equal to the data we input to sign in. So that's the main process which happens over here. So if an error comes, I should get a message as error. And if there is a success, if it's successful, then I should get a message as success. So I hope you understood what I explained. So this is my signing.php code. And this is my signing.tsx code. So I hope you understood what I explained. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So I'll be back with a new video explaining about the home page and the functions in the home page, how to search a product and how to go to the users chat page and chat. So likewise, we'll be discussing in our next video. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. So I'll be back with a new video. So until then, stay tuned, have a nice day, and bye.